Hi everyone, it's Christy, and I am so inspired to share some things with you. So this last weekend I've been working on my wardrobe, my closet space, just organizing things that have been piling up since we separated like 5.5 years ago. And so I started to feel just very heavy with the amount of chaos that was around me. So I took on my wardrobe, my accessories, my beauty products, my skincare products, and am streamlining them and organizing them in a way that it makes it easier for me to get on with my day. So I decided to create a series of videos this week. So from now until February 28th, the end of this month, I'm going to be doing skincare and beauty hacks and tips and tricks. And I created 4 different looks with Beautycounter products, makeup products. So I'm created one for the Naturalist, one for the Clean Beauty Next Level. Then we have the Everyday Beauty Glam, and then we have the Full-On Glam. So the reason I did this is that way you can have a point of reference and pick something that you like that feels good for your beauty routine and ritual and easily adopt it. So we're going to get started. I have nothing on my face except for just pure essentials. So I cleansed with the cleanse. I use the Balance as my toner, and then of course the Enrich as my moisturizer. All the links for the products I use are down below. And so now my skin is prepped and ready to go. This tutorial is for somebody that's afraid of makeup or maybe curious about makeup, doesn't really want a full face of makeup and wants to ease into it, or maybe you're just really busy, sporty, and you want a little bit of something but don't know how to do it without going overboard. So just 3 products from from Beautycounter, and I'm going to make this really easy. We're going to use the DewSkin. Mine is in number 3. It's 1, 2, and 3. So for my skin tone, it's the number 3. I love it because it's so creamy that you're getting a good dose of moisture, and there's an SPF, so this is great for somebody that's maybe really athletic or super busy. Maybe you're a mom and you're out in the park and you want a little bit of something. It gives you, just as you can see, a touch and a hint of color without being a full face of makeup. And that's it. You just apply with your fingers and you're ready to go. The next product is the Caramen. Oops, that's not the caramel. These are our blush sticks, our cream blusher sticks. You can use it as a bronzer. The Caramel is a very warm color, and the way I'm going to use it is almost like a blush and a bronzer, just kind of putting it wherever the sun would hit on your face. That's where you're going to kind of just blend it in with your fingers. It gives a nice warm glow to the skin without it looking like a heavy powder. It doesn't have any metallic in it or shimmer, so it looks really natural. And then I would just take a little bit and put it on the eyelid to kind of warm that up. And you can even put it on the lips. And you've got a really naturalist kind of look. There's no concealer. I still have some color on my nose. But this is great. Like, for wherever you're at, maybe you want just a little bit without it being too much. This is your little set. And then just an add of buff gloss, and you're good to go. Is that yeah, that's the buff gloss. So these 3 things, and you've edged into switching to safer or cleaner products and still having a really fresh and healthy glow, so you don't look like one of those really super made up YouTube tutorials. It's a really fresh look. And in the next videos you can see how I build. I add an I think the next one, so I mix the tint skin with the DewSkin, the tint skin foundation with the Dew tint. Dew Oh my gosh, what am I doing? DewSkin, the tint skin and the DewSkin. And we add a little bit more color on the lips and the cheeks and the eyes, and you see how I gradually move into that, so you can adopt and mix and match the colors as you like. So if you like this video, go ahead and follow me on YouTube. Give me some love down here. All the links for the products are down below. If subscribe to my YouTube channel. I think I need breakfast. And then if you're on Facebook, ask to join the Art of Beauty with Christy. It's my private Facebook page where we do everything beauty, skincare. We do, I have an esthetician that just posted how to do facial massage. It's where I post on the latest, offerings or the newest tips and tricks. We do cultural beauty. We do tutorials. I do makeovers on there. It's where you get one-on-one time with me. So it's the Art of Beauty with Christy. Ask to join and I will approve you unless you're some weirdo, and I will not approve weirdos on our page because it's a safe page for us to explore our beauty. So don't forget, YouTube, subscribe here, link below. If you want to order or need help, you can email me. My website is christyfunk.com and my private page is The Art of Beauty with Christy. Have a beautiful day and enjoy your beauty, and until next time, bye-bye.